All right, we are extended over the process. This is Monday, the 27th, 2019, 15:38 at my mark. And I am drunk already because I bought una petaca, liquor of cognac, coffee at cognac, just made in the granny's recipe. Mm. It's a little sweet, but not that bad. Honey milk and the cognac, one major. You sweat terrible, but helps you through over what it is, the flu state, and once you have a lung flu or any dysphagic expectorations, cough, and another. Really helps terribly. The thing is, you do not have no problem about drinking alcohol. It's just a little major with every cup of milk and a lot of good honey, that quality that you say, the right flower, the right apiculture, the right bee, and the right, they've done the job. So enjoy it again. Helps greatly. All right. I'm trying to help myself through these disasters, and we are a little later or lazy for the reference of so much. We've begun with the complete of the purge toward what the hell we'll pay for with them associated bodies. And the reality as much this is going to be exactly the right focus of justice, and it's what we do. And so everybody effort now to be the person that can self-embrace, to have the right life which is given, and not like you gotta be grateful to me or you owe me nothing. But remember Erchai, and remember we've suffered too much, and what they've done, they didn't have no right, and you have rights for life, Galen. So embrace that and treasure it. Be right as best ever what you know as much what it means to be for life and fighting for, and be at the best ever you can embrace which it means, the right spectrums, the right best to build, and the right best for health, and the right best for that worthy. All of you on the same line we aim for. I love you all so much, I'm so sorry. All right. Let's making some little share. I'm not feeling really fine. I have lesions at my mouth. We call that aftas around here, but it's the term that they contacted me. Okay, I've sent you samples again for clinics, 34 and 35 approximately milliliters of blood. The way you know I do, I am not using syringes, but you know I can do it. So protocolarly with the whole of the recording for the process, I'm sending you and also my genome and my DNA, you know it's me, you know I am, with samples of whatever relations, especially at my mouth and pharynx at this moment, and the complete of the clinic's routine with the PECNT complete on radiology for whatever this reality I'm through, the way you need it there. El Chai Kadosh, Papa, MELECHIM HA'JAI, SARIM HA'JAI people. Okay, Gil, Benjamin, and the justice bodies. I've sent you already, and I'm gonna just, or about sending, it's already protected anyway, but I'm gonna make the job as you have asked me to do, and we are gonna keep on working the way we will, and we still do. I'm sorry for everything, and you know the complete of the last just happened. And just working through and finishing the sickness, and it's really painful. We're gonna do the right job. We're gonna making this to be for the sense of what this is to be done, and we're not gonna miss it, and we're not gonna lose the heat, neither the right working and senses for it. It's gonna be exactly what it is, which must be. We're gonna work and fight for. All right. Just a little bit. I already have my voice a little bit affected, heavy, all softly. I'm throwing Bon appetit, Pancho, sorry. Okay. Alright. I have a third das sound, little hash puppy. Ain't hash at all, but with a little nanas, it's hurt a little bit. Alright. Okay. Let's try. Meli, I love you, I love you all beautifuls. I love you, Papa. I'm sorry. Alright, Ari or Yana, ask anyone to one with Bellsper. You can, and just remember that I text you always, be careful please. And music with Harry, Barrett, sorry, WRDLT. Alright, I'm sorry. I love you all so much. Makelot shevot not kevoesemi yet giluet nalise shoet efoechayim atchelot avshemov Gelot Samot Yimrioch Ha'asi Nengelot Amafai Selah I love Kevot Hamoch Sefer in my Halefol Ayatalefoel Miatshi Mehalech Hapsi Nel Hamal Helot Chawachot and my light in nine color Samot Hamach Hanshelech in Kelotsi Amam Valu Maynalapsen Yalavayolusai Kem Foechaimot Na'atsamiat Kelech Yemefot Halet Amai Shataimot Yemlavoet Helmach Hatsa Hamai Shataimoch Lehavah and Ayanu Mehr Feuer. And a little bit for you to have the empathy for wording differences on Matisse' color of voice. So I'm gonna cue you in the way we've been doing a little bit for you to compare, not for comparing voices or singers, but the elemental level as much we know this is. So naturally, you can remember. On my no I am not so sweetly like a my foot noil I'm only like I vote sich I'm sorry. and for the most known of Whitney Houston. I'm sorry, I really am affected. I shouldn't sing, but we have more than a moment to share. And I know this matters, and I know you care. I'm so sorry. All right. New one, always. I give you some normal references, and that's what we do. Further to share. Remember when we held on at the studio? Remember when we held on in the rain? The nights we'd almost lost it. Once again, we can take the night into tomorrow, living on feelings. Touching you, I feel it all again. Didn't we almost have it all? Sorry. Well, love was all we had worth giving. The ride with you was worth the fall, my friend. Loving you makes life worth living. Didn't we almost have it all? The nights we've had until the morning. You know you never left that way again. Didn't we almost have it all? All at once, I finally took a moment, and I'm realizing that you're not coming back. So I thought I'm only up all at once. And I thought I'm snowing my death behind your melon. Neon sneeuw mollified. Redemi hayat amelech at once. Lovens neshemokied. Revoshel ashenet forward. Liam kemayat saved. Redfosken ashenet forward. All at once. Nuelet berret shemokied. Liaves neyan she at snowed. And that's all which matters now. All at once. And therefore much only at her. And me at kel at shanet kalovatayet. Of sholech mayat analah. Though it had simon nelat on show. All at once. And just a reality with it. We can still making this to work somehow and making the best that we have. And the realities are exactly which realities are. And you only have to accept and recognize it and making the right decision toward what it is about your own life to do. And if you really want to having a normal accent of it, you should learn naturally the best ever reality as much it means you for you to take the right decision. And there is the right focus and always. All right, then you wanted I do exactly that. All at once, I told you what I'm only I let it action that can. All the world's gonna mad, so much more than you shall all at once. All new. So much more than you've shown all at once. And I'm sorry, my state again. And you want it just a little bit, potpourri, never read 2 minutes, no further. Then. Leifayat layamayek, ayvayat laichin shelfo, Elechaim adlitzes. Redemi aylayet haitze, Elishel, Elieh layot hanaylich. Im Elieh vatsi amaklev, eine Lot Hashem, my kind. And I will stop right here. I'm sorry. Just for the day, I am trying to taking over one flu and some terms by evangelicals and rotolos and buddies. Each night launching whatever under the door, bent windows, whatever to the business to continue. I will be the meal. Still. All right. Fuerzas Armadas, te voy a arrancar la cabeza. Hacerte el loco de que me falta medicación y que te insulto y que soy un problema y que tengo que estar internado y que no la tomo, que te voy a arrancar la cabeza pronto. Y a tus perritas, calla, todo perrito evangélico, de todo perrito civil, que te quede dando vuelta y a toda marica de tribunales argentino y forense. Te voy a arrancar la vida. Sorry for this. All right. The reality is expressed for what it is and what still is happening, and sorry for my moment of violence and improper terms. We are going to just finish this. And exactly what this is exactly reality. We know it, we recognize and shown. It's over. Shut up. I love you all. Please forgive me, and let's make this too worthily be exactly what must be.